It is sunny at noon.
It is sunny at noon.
She is waiting at the bus stop.
She is waiting at the bus stop.
The meeting starts at 10 a.m.
The meeting starts at 10 a.m.
The keys are on the table.
The keys are on the table.
The book is on the shelf.
The book is on the shelf.
He lives in New York City.
He lives in New York City.
The cookies are in the jar.
The cookies are in the jar.
She walked to the park.
She walked to the park.
He drove to his office.
He drove to his office.
This letter is from my teacher.
This letter is from my teacher.
The package came from China.
The package came from China.
This gift is for you.
This gift is for you.
I studied for 2 hours.
I studied for 2 hours.
She ate dinner with her friends.
She ate dinner with her friends.
He wrote the essay with a pencil.
He wrote the essay with a pencil.
I'll go shopping with my sister.
I'll go shopping with my sister.
She decorated the cake with chocolate.
She decorated the cake with chocolate.
The train arrives by 6 p.m.
The train arrives by 6 p.m.
Finish your homework by tonight.
Finish your homework by tonight.
The store stays open until 8 p.m.
The store stays open until 8 p.m.
We'll wait until the rain stops.
We'll wait until the rain stops.
She has lived here since 2010.
She has lived here since 2010.
I haven't called him since Monday.
I haven't called him since Monday.
She jumped into the pool.
She jumped into the pool.
He walked into the room.
He walked into the room.
The cat climbed onto the roof.
The cat climbed onto the roof.
She stepped onto the grass.
She stepped onto the grass.
He ran out of the building.
He ran out of the building.
The water poured out of the bottle.
The water poured out of the bottle.
The school is near the library.
The school is near the library.
My house is near the river.
My house is near the river.
Sit beside me at the concert.
Sit beside me at the concert.
The lamp is beside the bed.
The lamp is beside the bed.
The cafe is between the bank and the post office.
The cafe is between the bank and the post office.
He divided the cake between his 2 kids.
He divided the cake between his 2 kids.
He is against the new law.
He is against the new law.
The ladder leans against the wall.
The ladder leans against the wall.
Children ran around the garden.
Children ran around the garden.
The fence goes around the farm.
The fence goes around the farm.
Everyone came except Tom.
Everyone came except Tom.
I eat nothing except vegetables.
I eat nothing except vegetables.
I can't work without coffee.
I can't work without coffee.
She left without saying goodbye.
She left without saying goodbye.
The dog is inside the house.
The dog is inside the house.
Keep the medicine inside the box.
Keep the medicine inside the box.
Wait outside the classroom.
Wait outside the classroom.
The kids are playing outside.
The kids are playing outside.
The plane flew over the clouds.
The plane flew over the clouds.
Hang the picture over the sofa.
Hang the picture over the sofa.
The mouse ran under the table.
The mouse ran under the table.
The tunnel goes through the mountain.
The tunnel goes through the mountain.
Sunlight shines through the window.
Sunlight shines through the window.
She sat next to her friend.
She sat next to her friend.
The road leads toward the city.
The road leads toward the city.
The bridge goes across the river.
The bridge goes across the river.
He walked across the street.
He walked across the street.
A cup of tea is relaxing.
A cup of tea is relaxing.
The color of the sky is blue.
The color of the sky is blue.
She comes from France.
She comes from France.
The email is from my boss.
The email is from my boss.
He listened to the radio.
He listened to the radio.
She talked to her doctor.
She talked to her doctor.
We worry about the exam.
We worry about the exam.
She is nervous about the interview.
She is nervous about the interview.
I lived there for 3 years.
I lived there for 3 years.
She has been sick for 2 days.
She has been sick for 2 days.
It rained during the picnic.
It rained during the picnic.
The store is closed during the holiday.
The store is closed during the holiday.
She climbed up the stairs.
She climbed up the stairs.
The ball rolled down the hill.
The ball rolled down the hill.
He jumped into the lake.
He jumped into the lake.
The bird flew into the tree.
The bird flew into the tree.
She traveled by train.
She traveled by train.
The package arrived by courier.
The package arrived by courier.
We sent the message via email.
We sent the message via email.
He traveled via Tokyo.
He traveled via Tokyo.
Finish the project within 2 days.
Finish the project within 2 days.
The answer lies within you.
The answer lies within you.
I can't survive without water.
I can't survive without water.
She left without her phone.
She left without her phone.
She looked out of the window.
She looked out of the window.
We ran out of milk.
We ran out of milk.
The game was canceled because of rain.
The game was canceled because of rain.
He is late because of traffic.
He is late because of traffic.
Drink water instead of soda.
Drink water instead of soda.
According to the news, it will rain.
According to the news, it will rain.
She has been working here for 6 months since January.
She has been working here for 6 months.
The cat hid behind the curtain during the party.
The cat hid behind the curtain during the party.
He drove through the tunnel to reach the city.
He drove through the tunnel to reach the city.
We met at the cafe at 5 p.m.
We met at the cafe at 5 p.m.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
She buys flowers for her mother on Mother's Day.
She buys flowers for her mother on Mother's Day.
He reads books about history in the library.
He reads books about history in the library.
The dog ran around the park with its friend.
The dog ran around the park with its friend.
We arrived at the airport by noon.
We arrived at the airport by noon.
She is grateful for your help.
She is grateful for your help.
He apologized for his mistake.
He apologized for his mistake.
She thinks about her future every day.
She thinks about her future every day.
They argued about the plan for hours.
They argued about the plan for hours.
I work from Monday to Friday.
I work from Monday to Friday.
She commutes to office by bus.
She commutes to office by bus.
He has lived in Paris for 10 years.
He has lived in Paris for 10 years.
The river flows through the forest.
The river flows through the forest.
The sun sets behind the mountains.
The sun sets behind the mountains.
Birds fly over the lake in the morning.
Birds fly over the lake in the morning.
She sat next to her friend at the concert.
She sat next to her friend at the concert.
He sent a letter to his grandmother via post.
He sent a letter to his grandmother via post.
They laughed about the joke for minutes.
They laughed about the joke for minutes.
Since morning, I have been busy.
Since morning, I have been busy.
Until midnight, the party lasted.
Until midnight, the party lasted.
During the movie, she cried.
During the movie, she cried.